The judgment is a slap to the judiciary. It ridiculed Nigeria. It ridiculed judiciary itself. Let me tell you, in 2003, Buhari himself went to court on FCT 25%. The judiciary, the Supreme Court, said, I'm quoting the Supreme Court, said that Obasanjo won the election, that he don't expect, the law did not say that, that for you to be declared a president, you must win FCT. But it is for you to win at least 25% of FCT.
My opinion in that judgment is that the judgments, they are contradicting themselves. First of all, there's case of Bayelsa, which everybody knows. The deputy was having a problem. Because of that, the man lose the seat. The one APC gubernatorial candidate in Bayelsa. Now, you tell us that FCT is not a state. FCT is like a state now. Why is not? We were believing that it's a federal capital, 25%. So all the ruling was, I don't know how to, but since we don't have option, it is God that have final say.
The judgment affirmed what we knew all along. So it was fair. The justice of the Supreme Court did good job. They did a very excellent job. And I think the ruling will be a landmark judgment. For a very long time, they will continue to make reference to those judgments. So it was a good judgment.
The problem is they are supposed to hear the both sides. I don't get me. They are supposed to hear the both sides. They are supposed to allow Atiku to table his issue. They look into the issue and see whether he has a case, whether he don't have a case. But as he brought it, they didn't even accept it. So that is Nigerian factor.
Well, the Supreme Court judgment is nice because we want our country to unite and move forward. We don't have the time to be saying rushing to left and right. That's not the way to move. What I see there is a good for him, for our president, for him to know what to do, because I see it in his eye before that. It's like he's scared to do anything but now they are swearing. Supreme Court has bring the final say.
The country is in serious drama in the sense that Nigeria is this kind of they protect they are showing themselves as a country whereby the white people are looking at us as seeing there is no, we don't have leaders in Nigeria, in the sense that people can be appointed as judges, appointed as this and that, but still yet, for the area of their selfish interests, they lock the truth in their pocket and look at what they will gain on not presenting the truth aspect of the things supposed to be given to the people for the hearers of the country to hear.
In the country, in every country, Supreme Court judgments are revered and a point of reference come any day. But I can't understand why a judgment will be given and 25% that the Supreme Court itself ruled that before you be declared a president of a country of Nigeria, you must win at least 25%. And now they threw it away. They make a fool of themselves. Let me use that word. I'm sorry to use a hard word, but they make a fool of themselves.
If God say your enemy will rule over you, so be it. But all I know is that the judgment, we did not accept it. But we leave it for God. We have no power to do more than that. But to me, I'm not happy. Because we accept it because it is the Supreme Council of Nigeria. Supreme Court in Nigeria existing. If not, I'm telling you, we are not. In fact, I myself, let me say about myself. I didn't like it. I not too. The judges are contradicting themselves.
Of course, even the best way to not like it, definitely you must like it. Because nowhere you can throw your father put. My father is so wicked. Can you use another person to do your father? It cannot work. So that is it.
You know, I support APC, but the true fact of it is, let us say the truth. I support APC, but the judges are contradicting themselves. So to me, Supreme Court is the final court in Nigeria. We have nothing to say except God. It is only God that will judge the remaining world. But for me, I'm not happy.
In my perception and perspective, that we have no leader in Nigeria. Nigeria, as we are now, is into grammatical darkness, because when you don't have a leader that is, that portray the right, that is having the right leader that fight for the truth, that comes in for the truth, that the people elect for the truth, not leaders that is coming by their own power or their self-interest of what they will do. That shows that we are in serious problem.
Is it a forgery or this or that? I don't want to talk on that. It is in public domain. The whole world have seen that forgery is no more a crime in the country. And it has encouraged the younger ones. I can't, myself at my age now, I can't forge anything. I can't forge certificates. I'm not a politician. I'm not looking for political appointment. At my age, I cannot look for employment again, so I have no need to forge. But what of our younger ones? What has it taught them? You can be, if you can outsmart everybody and forge, here be it.